Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you ReFuel AI review. Guys, this is my honest review, so please don't skip this video. I'm going to show you a step by step all the information. I'm going to show you marketplace report, how many sales got this software already. I'm going to show you everything. Is this software legit or scam? So guys, stay tuned. Right now, I'm in the sales page of this software ReFuel AI. This is not only a software, this is the combined package product. They will provide a software and a training that will help you to generate money from online. Okay guys, ReFuel AI basically new for July 2023. ClickBank Platinum Super Affiliate reveals the world's fastest and easiest AI breakthrough for automated 1000 plus commissions from 100% free traffic. Copy and paste system does all the selling for you. 100% success without tech skills, without expenses, without experience. Okay guys, if you are a beginner, you can do this. You can, if you follow this method. Okay, ReFuel AI. Guys, right now I'm just going to jump the marketplace report. How many sales got this software? This software have been already sold on 1000 plus copy, 8% conversion rate, 1% refund rate. That means 1000 plus have copy already sold out, and 1% refund rate. That means guys, this product is good. Okay, that's why I promote it. Okay guys, honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate. This is my affiliate link. If you purchase through our affiliate link this product ReFuel AI, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this one. Guys, this is my 100% honest review. Okay, I can reload it guys. You 100% believe it. This is the Warrior Plus Marketplace product. Okay, you can see the Warrior Plus Marketplace. You can see the Warrior Plus Marketplace product. Okay guys, okay, just consider the link in my video description below. Just 3 simple steps to work this product. You can see the 3 simple steps. Step number 1, grab a copy of ReFuel AI by clicking any buy button on this page. Step number 2, activate the app's AI copy and paste profit technology from your phone, laptop or computer in less than 60 seconds. Step number 3, enjoy the power of automation and AI bots. We are making up to $1,497 per day every time we copy and paste where the app tell us. Guys, this is super easy method to make money from online. Okay, and lots of information you can see here. This is the creator Glenn Kosky and Jenny. Okay, they actually share their experience. Platinum affiliate marketer Glenn Kosky on clickbank.com. So if you want to really make money from online, you can follow this ReFuel AI. Okay guys, you can see lots of information share. I highly recommend before purchase this software, you can read the full information, link in my video description below. The world's first AI powered bot system that makes us $1,497 a day. You can also do this, copy and paste a single line of text to create fully automated bots that turns visitors into sales and commissions. And right now this product price is, I'm just bottom of this page and gonna to show you the exact price right now, because price goes up day by day. And here is the bonuses they will provide. If you purchase this product through our link, they will provide this bonus guys. Bonus number 1, $997 daily zero cost auto bot. Bonus number 2, 300 per day auto affiliate sec. Bonus number 3, 0 to 1k in 7 days. Bonus number 4, first sale in 60 minutes. Bonus number 5, commercial license included. And a special exclusive bonus also they will provide guys. Okay, and this product will give you 180 days money back guarantee. You can see So guys, this is 100% risk free, and if you want if you don't love this product, you can refund this product. You can see 1% already refund this product, so 1% refund this product. You can also do the same, you can also do this. Okay guys, and you can see 100% 180 days money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose guys. Okay, here is everything what you will get if you purchase this software today. Right now I'm going to show the exact price. Okay, also you can see the frequent last question. Do you have any questions? Is the money back guarantee 180 days? What device does this work on? ReFuel is web based, so it works on every device out there. All you need is an internet connection guys. You need an internet connection, and you go right now. Okay, and here is the price, $18.07 right now, and the price goes up every single day guys, so this is the right time to purchase this product, ReFuel AI. I'm just going to jump also the marketplace report. Here is, you can see 1000 plus copy already sold out, and 8% conversion rate, 1% refund rate. That's why this is a legit product guys. Right now I'm going to show this quick video. You will be fully understand also if you watch this quick video. So let's see the video guys. Okay.
Ka-ching! I just woke up to dozens of new payment notifications in my affiliate account. In total, this adds up to over $1,000 in earnings. How did I pull it off? Did I have to use anything complex like selling products, posting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or even TikTok? Nope. In fact, I do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, and I promise you've never seen anything like it before. I avoid the traditional methods for making money online and do things completely differently. A trick that taps into a $2.3 billion AI ChatGPT loophole, which in turn pays me at least $1,000 per day in pure profit. To make this work, all we have to do is copy and paste a single line of text, activate the AI technology, and watch the commissions roll in. The best part about this is that I can make money on both my computer, smartphone, or tablet. As you saw earlier, these payments rack up pretty fast, and it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $1,000 days with this unique AI loophole. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this? Well, now's your chance to start doing the same with the brand new ReFuel. ReFuel is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits the $2.3 billion AI chatbot loophole to make us thousands of dollars in profit. I call it ReFuel because every time we're getting a little low on commissions, we just tap into this method and our earning account gets immediately refueled. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1, click any of the buy buttons on this page to get a copy of ReFuel. You'll want to do this now as we'll be closing this down soon to prevent saturation, so be quick. Step 2, activate the AI copy and paste profit technology with the press of a button inside the ReFuel app. This is where the magic happens. It taps into the $2.3 billion ChatGPT loophole, which is allowing us to get paid. Step 3, enjoy the power of automation. We're making $1,000 a day every time we copy and paste a single line of text. Once ReFuel is activated, the commissions never stop rolling into our accounts. The more we copy and paste where the app tells us, the more our earning account grows. Nobody's ever done anything like this before. If I lost everything and had to start from complete scratch, the first thing I'd do is fire up the ReFuel AI app. Now at this point, you've seen all the proof. You know how well ReFuel works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it's the same system that's making us a minimum of $1,000 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. At minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds if not thousands of people to pay this price because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it, that's a huge commitment to make, and I know it's hard for you to try new things out with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access ReFuel, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone can afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of fast action bonuses. This offer is only available for a limited time only. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you a personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yeah, that's how confident I am that ReFuel will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court. Click the button below right now to get ReFuel while it's still available at the early bird discount price.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about this product ReFuel AI, and here is, you can see, this is the top 5% vendor. Glenn Koski already launched lots of products successfully on our Plus marketplace, and Superstar vendor also so you can trust this guy Glenn Kosky, and also you can buy this product. I hope, my friend, you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who are actually struggling to generate money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video.